What's up, YouTube? This is Michael from Leveled Up Construction. It is early this morning. I'm getting ready to go over to my brother's house. We got a full day ahead of us. We have some grading to do on a driveway. We have some job surprise. The roosters are just waking up, so it's time to get up. Hope y'all have a great day. About time for some fuel. All right, let's go. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is load up the skid steer, and we're gonna take that, put it on the gooseneck trailer, and then take it to a customer's house, drop that off, and then we have to go price a job. So let's do that. Let's load the trailer first. All right, cool. So we'll let that warm up a little bit. Grab the chain and we'll come move these blocks out of the way. All right, so we made it to the job site. That's the owner's house there. This is the driveway that we have to fix. Justin's already on the skid steer. We had to get going this morning. We had to price a job this morning. We didn't get here until about 10 o'clock, so the dump trucks are scheduled to be here at 11, so we got to get some of this graded out so that we'll get going. Let's get it. Look at that gate though. Nice. Go Tigers. Don't mess up, it's gonna be on YouTube.
Got KMC trucking right here in Calvin Drift. That's the boys calling. Check them out.
I'll keep an eye on those power lines for you. How'd you like that gate? I don't want to talk about it. I hear you.
Alright, right there, whoa. Alright, you good to go, man.
She's thick right in here.
So we got the dump truck driver. He's gonna go up and down the driveway a few times and pack everything in best we can until we can get a roller out here, probably the next couple of weeks. I got a couple other jobs lined up. Maybe I can rent a roller for a whole week and I can knock all these jobs out, you know, during that week. You know, maybe Monday do this job, Tuesday maybe do that job. But yeah, we're gonna keep on going and hope you enjoy.
this is a day's work. Got this all graded out. There was humps here, rut forming here, through here. There's another hump here, another hump there. Got that all smoothed out so it can drain. Got a nice, what was it, 60 tons? Yeah. Ended up being 60 tons? Or?
No, 80 tons.
80 tons, okay. That's way better. This was the last run right here. That's why it's a different color. It's still wet, but it'll all look like this over here whenever it dries out. The customer still wants us to come back, and he wants us to break up those cement culvert pipes, and he wants another truckload of dump truckload of rock over there where another guy dug that out, and he wants it to drain out here, so we probably put rock in there. Not the last dump truck, but the second to last dump truck we had. They tried to turn around down there at the end, right past the mailboxes, and he pulled up that hill and then backed off, and this stuff right here he sank. When he had a full load of rock, he just sank. And so we spent the next hour and a half trying to get him unstuck out of there, and he actually had to dump that load of rock off the side there, so we got to clean that up. We still have to come back and do some things, but we just took the dirty rock, what was over there, and filled a hole in at the end down there for them. The guys with the dump truck, they didn't charge us for that, so that was nice. But that's it. Until we come back, finish her up. The homeowners seem to be happy with it. She just stopped by and told us it was great not to be driving through, mud and everything, slipping all over the place. So another happy customer.